moving out to the next question, can you write a immutable class? So the immutable class is something once you instantiate it, you cannot change the content of it. Okay, this is also comes under the creational design pattern. So the class to be immutable, there will be no setters to prevent modification of object state. And one more important note is, if any of the fields are mutable objects, you need to return a copy of those objects to prevent them from being modified outside of this class. So here what it means that instead of the string here, if you have any other object type, that is custom object type in your immutable class, then every time you have to return a copy of that object so that original object content cannot be modified. And moving to the last question, the question is, what is anonymous class and why is it required? So the anonymous class is something which will not have a name. It is declared and instantiated at the same time. It is also often used to create a subclass of any existing class or to implement an interface without having to explicitly declare. For example, suppose the use of that class is very limited. In that case, we can declare that class as a anonymous class. Actually, it improves the code readability, also reduces the lines of code. Here in this example, you can see we have implemented the runnable interface, but there is no name for that class. And in this anonymous class, we have overridden the run method and written a custom message, right? And also we can call this our implemented run method using thread, right? By passing that instantiation variable to the thread, and we can call the start method as usual. So that is all about in this episode. Hope this is very helpful. We'll see you in the next. Thank you.